students. So here it is Arka sir. I have come with a fresh and new episode on the topic mathematics, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. So I have uploaded already some episodes on this topic. In my previous episode I have solved some numeric problems on this. So today we will move forward. So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications, because many new things and variety of things I will upload which will help you in the examination and also to crack joint and NEET. Okay, so one by one I will upload everything. So now let us start today's topic. Now complementary angles, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. So last day we have solved some sums. So today let us move to the sum number 1. So proof means what? Proof means the answer is given. That I know. That means if I can show this is equal to 0, that means my sum is correct. So in the exam hall also only we can determine whether the sum is correct or wrong. So what is given? It is sine 72 degree plus cos 18 degree into sine 72 degree minus cos 18 degree. So what is that? A plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. This is the formula. Okay. So it is a, it is b. So sine square 72 degree minus cos square 18 degree. So what we can write? Sine square 72 degree minus cos of what? 90 degree minus 18 degree. 90 minus 72 degree. That means what? 18 degree. Okay. That square. So what we can write? Sine square 72 degree minus cos 90 minus theta means what? Sine 90 square, then sine square 72 degree. This will be cancelled. Then it is 0. Proved. So very easy sum. Clear? So what is that? We have to prove this into this is equal to 0. So it is a plus b into a minus b, that means a square minus b square. We are changing this. We can also change this. Okay, how? Sine 90 degree minus 18 degree, that means what? Sine 72, it will be cos. Clear? Then it will be cos square 72 minus cos square 18 degree minus cos square 18 degree. So that will be also be 0. Clear? So either we can change this one or we can change this one. So I have here changed this one. So both you can change. Clear? So this is the sum number 1. Now let us move to sum number 2. So sum number 1 we have solved. So hope you have understood. Now let us move to sum number 2. Clear? So sum number 2 we have to prove this is equal to 0. That means answer is given. Cosec 39 degree into cos 51 degree plus tan 21 degree into cot 69 degree minus sec square 21 degree. Okay, so that means see these values we don't know. 39, 51, 21, 69, 21. Only by using the trigonometric table we can find out the values, but otherwise we cannot. We know the value, known value is what? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That already we have solved. Okay, that chapter we have completed. Now here what we can write? Cosec 39 into cos 90 degree minus 39 degree. That means what? 51. 90 minus 39 means 51. Okay, plus tan 21 degree into cot what? 90 degree minus 21 degree. That means what? 69 degree minus sec square 21 degree. Okay. So 69 degree, how you can write? 90 minus 21. That means 69. Clear? So it is cosec 39 degree into cos 90 minus theta means what? Sine 39 degree. Clear? Plus tan 21 degree into cot 90 minus theta means what? Tan 21 degree minus sec square 21 degree. Clear? So it is what? Cosec theta into cosec means what? Reciprocal of sine. So cosec theta into sin theta means what? 1 plus it is what? Tan square 21 degree minus sec square 21 degree. Okay. So it is what? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. Okay. Why? Because we know what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So instead of 1 plus tan square theta, what we can write? Sec square theta means here 21 degree minus sec square 21 degree. This will be cancelled, so it will be 0. Proved. Clear? So very easy sum. Okay. So here what we are doing? Cos 39, cosec 39 into cos 51. So cos 51, what we can write? Cos 90 degree minus 39 degree. Okay. So 90 minus 39 means 51. Clear? So cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. So cosec theta and sin theta means 1. So this part we are keeping as it is. So tan 21 degree and cot 69 means what? Cot 90 minus 21 minus sec square 21. So cot 90 minus theta means what? Tan theta. So tan 21 into tan 21 minus sec square 21. So it is, this means 1 plus what? Tan 21 into tan 21 means tan square 21 minus sec square 21. So 1 plus tan square theta means what? Sec square theta. So sec square 21 minus sec square 21. So this will be cancelled. So the answer is 0. So that we have to prove. Clear? So we have proved solve these two sums. So you can also copy this and also you have to practice it without watching. Clear? After see how we have done that and then practice that. If you cannot do it, then again see and again try to do it without watching it. Clear? So this way you can improve your mathematics skill of solving the problems. Clear? So now let us move to the next sum. So now let us move to sum number 3 for today's episode. So if sin 3a is equal to this given and 3a is an acute angle, that means the value of this is less than 90 degree or within 90 degree. So that's why it will lie on the first quadrant. So we know the value of all trigonometric functions in the first quadrant is positive. Okay. So now for that reason it is given. Clear? So now it is what? Sin 3a is equal to cos of a minus 10 is equal to what we can write? Sin of 90 degree minus a minus 10, that you can write. Sin 90 degree minus theta, that means what? Cos theta. Clear? So we can write like this. Sin 90 degree minus theta means what? Cos theta. So the this line and this line is same because we know sin 90 degree minus theta. Theta means here. Theta means a minus 10. Clear? So by comparing, so what? Sin 3a is equal to sin this. So what we can write? Therefore 3a is equal to 90 degree minus a minus 10. Clear? So now 3a is equal to 90 degree minus a plus 10. Okay. So 3a plus a. Now very simple sum is equal to what? 90 plus 10 means 100. Okay. So that means 4a is equal to what? 100. Okay. That means a is equal to what? 100 divided by 4. So 25 degree. That means a is equal to 25 degree. So this will be your answer. Clear? So this will be your answer. So now I am explaining once again. So sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 10. So what we can write? Sin of 90 degree minus a minus 10. 90 degree minus theta means cos theta. Clear? So now this is equal to this. So that means what we can write? 3a is equal to 90 degree minus a minus 10. So 3a is equal to 90 degree minus. Okay, the sign will change. We are omitting the bracket. So a plus 10. So a will be there. So 3a plus a is equal to 90 plus 10 means 100. So 4a is equal to 100. So a is equal to 100 by 4 means 25 degree. So value of a is equal to 25 degree. So this is very easy sum. So hope you have understood this. Now let us start to sum number 4. Let us start to sum number 4. Similar type of sum number 4. Okay. So sum number 4. What is that? Tan A tan A is equal to cot of A plus 10. Similar type of sum is equal to what we can write? Tan of what? 90 degree minus theta. Tan of 90 degree minus theta is equal to what? Cot theta. Clear? So it is nothing but it is theta. So 90 degree minus theta means what? Cot theta. Clear? It is what? It is theta. So what you can write now? Tan A is equal to tan of this. So A is equal to what you can write? 90 degree minus A plus 10. Clear? So A means what? A is equal to 90 degree minus A minus 10. So now very simple sum, A plus A is equal to 90 degree minus 10. Okay. Now what we can write? Twice A is equal to 80. So A is equal to 80 by 2. That means what? 40. Therefore A is equal to 40 degree. So this will be your answer. Okay. So A is equal to 40 degree. So now I am explaining it once again. So just like the previous sum, it is what? Tan A is equal to cot of this. So cot of this means cot tan 90 minus this. So tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So that means what? Tan A is equal to tan of this. So we can write the angle A is equal to this. Okay. So angle A is equal to this. So the value of A we are finding A is equal to 40 degree. So hope you have understood the number 3 and number 4 sum. Now let us move to the sum number 5 and 6. So now students, so let us come to sum number 5. Similar type of sums, but I am only doing the different type of patterns. Okay. The sum, the rules are different only for your practice. So now it is what? Cosec 2A. 2A is an acute angle, that means it will lie on the first quadrant. Clear? So cos 2A is equal to sine of A minus 15. Clear? So what you can write? Cos of 90 degree minus A minus 15. Cos 90 degree minus theta, this is theta. So this is theta. So cos 90 minus theta means what? Sin theta. Clear? So cos 2A is equal to cos this. So what we can write? Twice A is equal to 90 degree minus A minus 15. Clear? So now twice A is equal to 90 degree minus what? A sign will change, A plus 15. So twice A plus A is equal to what? 90 degree plus 15 degree. Okay. So that means what? 3A is equal to 105 degree. Okay. So A is equal to 105 by 3. Okay. That means A is equal to 35 degree. Clear? So it is the answer. So what? 2A is an acute angle. So 2 into 35 means 70 degree. 70 degree is less than 90. So this condition is also verified. So it is an acute angle. Clear? 2A will be an acute angle because it will be what? 35 into 2 means 70. Okay. So same thing, same type of sum. Cos 2A is equal to sine of A minus 15. So sine of A minus 15, what we can write? Cos of 90 degree minus this. Okay. That means what? Sine this. So cos, that means what? 2A is equal to this one. Clear? And from that equation we are finding the value of A, and which is 35 degree. So now let us move to the next sum. Sum number 6. Let us move to the next sum number 6. So similar type of sum, cosec 4A is equal to sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 15 degree. 4A is an acute angle. That means this will lie on the first quadrant. This angle will lie on the first quadrant. So we have to find out the value A. So sec 4A is equal to sec 4A. It is sum number 6. Sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 15 degree is equal to what? Sec 90 degree minus what? A minus 15 degree. Okay. So what? It is theta and it is all theta. So what? Sec 90 minus theta means what? Cosec theta. So this and this are same. Clear? So what you can write now? Cosec 4A is equal to sec 4A is equal to sec this. Okay. So this is equal to this. So what you can write? 4A is equal to 90 degree minus A minus 15 degree. Okay. So 4A is equal to, changing the sign, A plus 15 degree. So that means what? 4A plus A is equal to 90 degree plus 15 degree. Okay. So that means what? 5A is equal to 105 degree. Very easy. So A is equal to 105 by 5. That means A is equal to 21 degree. So this will be your answer. So see, 4A means what? 4 into 21 means what? 84 degree, which is also an acute angle. So this condition is also verified. Okay. So that means what? This is the thing. So cosec A minus 15 means what? Sec 90 degree minus A minus 15. So 90 degree minus theta means what? Cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta means cosec theta. So that means what? 4A is equal to this. So from that we are finding the value of A, which is coming 21 degree. So 21 degree. So what will be the value of 4A? 4 into 21, that means 84. Clear? So 84 is less than 90 degree. That means it is an acute angle. So this condition is also verified. So students, hope you have understood the sum number 5 and 6. Now let us move to the sum number 7 and 8. Friends, here now let us solve sum number 7 and 8. Similar type of sums. Okay. So now it is what? Tan 2 theta is equal to cot this, where 2 theta, this and this are acute angles, that means less than 90 degree. Okay, that means it will lie in the first quadrant. We have to find the value of theta. So now what is that? Tan 2 theta is equal to cot of, it is sum number 7, is equal to cot of theta plus 6 degree is equal to tan, what you can write? 90 degree minus theta plus 6 degree. Okay. So this whole thing we can assume as phi. So cot phi is equal to what? Tan 90 degree minus phi, that means what? Cot phi. Clear? So now, so tan 2 theta is equal to tan of this. So what we can write? We can write 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus theta plus 6 degree. Okay. So 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus theta minus 6 degree. So what you can write? 2 theta plus theta is equal to 90 degree minus 6 degree. Okay. So that means 3 theta is equal to 84 degree. Okay. So theta is equal to 84 by 3. That means theta is equal to 28 degree. So students, this will be your answer. So that means what? 28 plus 6 means what? 34. Okay. And 2 theta means 28 into 2. 28 into 2 means 56. Clear? So that means both are acute angles. So this condition is verified. Okay. This condition is verified. So that means what? So our answer is correct. So tan 2 theta is equal to cot of theta plus 6. So how we can write it? Tan of 90 degree minus this. So tan of 90 degree minus theta means this one. Clear? So now 2 theta is equal to this one because both are tan. Okay. So 2 theta is equal to this. So from there we are finding the value of theta is 28 degree. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the next sums. Sum number 8. So students, I am again telling you, practice, practice and practice if you want to get rid of your fear of mathematics. Okay, because practice makes you perfection. No other alternatives. Clear? No other alternatives. Only as much as you practice. Why I am doing same type of sums? Okay, because so that you can practice. As much as you will practice, it will be easier for you. By watching the sums, you can understand how to do it. What is the way I should move? Clear? If that thing comes in your head, then it is very easy. Okay, and if in the examination hall, I will give the tips of the examination hall, how you will do that, how you will approach. Okay, so before the examination, okay, before the board exam, I will give you the trick. But if you can solve some sums with full confidence in your exam, I am giving you the guarantee. All the hard sums also you can solve. Clear? So that confidence will come inside you. So that confidence, if you want to bring or you want to develop inside you, you have to do different type of sums. And as much as you can solve, it can be very easier for you to do it. Okay, in the examination hall as well as in the higher classes also, because these concepts you needs to be developed. Clear? Now sine of theta plus 36 degree. So these are also lying in the first quadrant, as these are the acute angles, is equal to what? Cos theta. Okay, so that means what? Sine of 90 degree minus theta. So same formula, sine of 90 degree minus theta means cos theta. Okay. So now what we can write? So sine this is equal to sine this. Okay, so theta plus 36 degree is equal to what we can write? 90 degree minus theta. So now theta plus theta is equal to 90 degree minus 36 degree. So that means what? 2 theta is equal to 54 degree. Okay, Therefore, theta is equal to 54 by 2. That means what? That means theta is equal to 27 degree. So, students, this will be your answer. Theta is equal to 27 degree. Clear? So, now see, so theta plus 36, 27 plus 36 will be less than 90. That means 56 and 63 degree. That means less than 90 degree. That means this is an acute angle. Clear? So, very easy. So, sin of theta plus 36 is cos theta. So, is equal to cos theta means sin 90 minus theta. So, this will be equal to this. Okay, so theta plus 36 is equal to 90 minus theta. By solving, we are finding the value of theta is 27 degree. Okay, so it is very much easy, similar type of sum. So, I hope you have understood that and copy the sum, okay, for your practice. Clear? See how I have solved it and try to do it without watching. Clear? So, hope you have understood up to sum number 8. Now, let us move to sum number 9 and 10. So, now students, let us solve sum number 9 for today's episode. Clear? So, it is what is given 3 cot 31, tan 15, cot 27, tan 75, cot 63 and cot 59. See, these values we do not know. Clear? If it is 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, then easily or 0 degree, then easily we can put the value, those value we know already. Clear? But this value we can have the trigonometric table and from there we can put, but it is not allowed. We have to solve this. Clear? By using the complementary angles. So, complementary angles means summation of the two angles will be 90 degree. Now, I am just copying into tan 15 degree into cot 27 degree into tan 75 degree into cot 60 degree into cot 59 degree. Clear? Now, see which are the complementary, that we have to write together. 31 and 59, these two are complementary. So, what we can write? 3 cot 31 degree and cot 59 degree. Then 15 degree and 75 degree, these two are complementary. So, what you can write? Tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree. Then which one? This one and this angle is complementary, 63 and 27. The summation will be 90. Clear? So, cot 27 degree into cot 63 degree. Clear? Now, what you can write? 3 into cot 31 degree. Now, we will change this. What you can write now? Cot 90 degree minus 31. 90 minus 31 means what? 59, cot 59. Clear? Into tan 15 degree into tan 90 degree minus 15 degree. Clear? That means tan 75. Okay. So, 75 we can write like this, into cot 27 degree into cot 63 degree means what? 90 degree minus 27 degree. Clear? So, now what we can write? 3 cot 31 degree into cot 90 minus theta means what? Tan 31 degree. Clear? Into tan 15 degree into tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot 15 degree into, clear, cot 27 degree into cot 90 minus theta means what? Tan 27 degree. Clear? So, 3 into cot theta into tan theta means what? 1. Those are reciprocal, into tan theta into cot theta, again it is 1, into tan cot theta into tan theta means again it is 1. So, that means 3. That will be your answer. Clear? So, if this type of sum comes in the examination, then first you have to arrange the complementary angles, okay, together. That means the sum of the two angles will be 90 degree. So, what is the things here? 31 degree and 59 degree. These are complementary. Then 15 degree and 75 degree complementary, and 27 and 63 complementary. So, that we will write together, okay, that I have written it together. So, if I am segregating it with the first bracket, so it will come like this, it will come like this, okay, the complementary angles we are writing together. Now, we are changing one, Okay, one will be same and another is 90 degree minus this. Okay, as the summation is 90 degree, so the other can be expressed as 90 degree minus the other angle. Clear? So it is what? 90 degree minus that angle. Clear? It is also 90 degree minus this angle. So now cot 90 minus theta means tan theta, tan 90 minus theta means cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta means again tan theta. So tan theta into cot theta, both angles are same. That means it is 1, 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. That means 3. So that will be your answer. So students, very much easy sum. So hope you can copy this, and hope you already understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 10. Let us now move to the sum number 10. Okay, so sum number 10. So sum number 9 we have solved. Now sum number 10. So what is that? 2 cos 58 degree divided by sin 32 degree minus root 3 into cos 38 degree into cosec 52 degree divided by tan 15 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 75 degree. So see, this value we know, tan 60 degree, but the others we don't know. Clear? So now what is that? So these two are complementary angles. So 2 into cos of 90 degree minus 32 degree divided by sin 32 degree. Okay, 32 degree. Clear? Minus root 3 into, these two are complementary. So cos 38 degree into cosec 90 degree minus 38 degree, that means 52. Clear? Divided by, these two are complementary. So tan 15 degree into tan 90 degree minus 15 degree, that means 75. Clear? Into tan 60 degree, value of tan 60 root 3. Okay, so 2 into, it is what? Cos 90 minus theta means sin theta, sin 32 degree divided by sin 32 degree. Clear? Minus root 3 into cos 38 degree into cosec 90 minus theta means what? Cosec 90 minus theta means sec theta. Okay, sec 38 degree divided by tan 15 degree into tan 90 minus theta means cot 15 degree into what? Root 3. Clear? Tan 60 degree value is root 3. So this will be cancelled. Clear? So that means 2 minus, okay, root 3 into cos theta into sec theta means what? 1. So 1 divided by tan theta and cot theta means 1 into what? Root 3. Root 3 will be cancelled. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So that will be your answer. So this will be your answer. So students, you see, okay, cos 58 means cos 90 minus 32. We are changing because these two are complementary angles. So the denominator will be unchanged, and minus root 3 cos 38 into cosec 52. So these two angles are complementary. So we are changing this. Okay, cosec 90 minus 38, that means 52. Tan this and tan 75 is complementary. So we are changing tan 15 to tan 75 means 90 into 15, minus 15 into tan 60. Tan 60 value we know, root 3. Clear? So now it is what? So 2 into sin 32 into divided by sin 32, that will be cancelled. Minus root 3 into cos 38 minus what? Sec cos 90 minus cosec 90 minus theta means sec theta. So sec 38 degree divided by tan 15 degree into cot 15 degree root 3. So these two will be also 1. Clear? Divided by 1 into root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So that will be your answer. So you can copy this sum. Clear? And also practice this. Without watching this sum, you practice this. Clear? So now 9 and 10 I have solved. Now let me solve sum number 11 and 12. So students, now let us solve sum number 11 and 12. So 11 means sum number 11, what is given? Cos 70 by sin 20 So these two are complementary angle. Now cos 55 into cosec 35. So these two are complementary. So in the denominator tan 5 degree and tan 45 degree, this is the value we know. Clear? The value of tan 45 degree is 1. Clear? So now tan 5 and tan 85, these two will be complementary. Tan 25 and tan and 25 and 65, these two angles will be complementary. Clear? So what I told, the trick, complementary angles should be together if this type of products are there. Okay. So now it is what? Cos 70 degree means what we can write? 90 degree minus 20 degree. Clear? That means what? 70 degree divided by sine 20 degree. Clear? Plus these two are complementary. So what we can write? Cos 55 degree into cosec 90 degree minus 55 degree. That means what? 35 degree divided by what we can write? Tan 5 degree into tan 85 degree. Clear? Into tan 25 degree. Okay. Into what? You say tan 65 degree. Clear? These two are what? Complementary. And what is left? Tan 45 degree. That is left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the terms I have written. Clear? Now, so this is the third bracket closed. Clear? So cos 90 minus theta means what? Sin theta. So sin 20 degree divided by sin 20 degree. Clear? Plus what? Cos 55 degree into cosec 90 minus theta means what? Sec 55 degree. Okay. Whole divided by what? Tan of 5 degree into tan 90 minus 5, that means 85 degree. Clear? This one into, for this what we can write? Tan 25 degree into tan 90 minus 25, that means 65. Clear? Into 1. I am writing the value of tan 45. Okay. So this will be cancelled. So this will be 1 plus cos theta into sec theta means what? 1 divided by tan 5 degree into tan 90 minus 5 means what? Cot 5 degree into what? Tan 25 degree into tan 90 minus 25 means what? Cot 25 degree into 1. Therefore what we can write? 1 plus 1 divided by tan into cot means what? 1 into tan into cot. Tan theta into cot theta means 1 into 1. That means what? 1 plus 1, that means what? 2. That will be your answer. Okay. So I am explaining this sum once again. These two are complementary, so I am changing the upper the numerator one. Okay, so numerator what? Cos 70 means cos 90 minus 20, and here these two are complementary, so I am changing the second one. So cosec 90 minus 55 means 35. Clear? Now this will be what? Sin 20 by sin 20, so they will be cancelled, so 1 will be there, and this what? Cosec theta into sec theta means cos into sec theta means 1, so 1 will be there. Now we are arranging it as per their complementary angle. So tan 5, tan 85, 5 and 85 are complementary, and tan 25, tan 65, 25 and 65 are complementary, and we know the value of tan 45. Tan 45 means 1. Clear? So this will be cancelled. Now cos into sec means 1. So tan into cot, tan theta into cot theta means 1. Tan 25 into cot 25 means tan theta into cot theta. Both the angles are same. That means it is also 1. Okay, and into 1. So that means what? 1 plus what? 1 divided by 1 to 1 to 1, that means what? 1 plus 1, that means what? 2. Okay. So this is the sum number 11. So hope you have understood this. Okay, sum number 11. Now let us move to sum number 12. So again I am telling students, this is the time for the students, those who are appearing the board exams. This is the vital time for you, because your exam will start from February 2025. So, and these portions, trigonometry portions for class 10th is a new thing for you. So you should practice it as much as possible, all the sums. But this is the new thing, okay, that's why I have started this chapter before, okay, or the first, so that you can get more sums and more practice. So don't waste your time now, because within if you do very hard work in your academics or study, you will enjoy your result for your life, okay. So now it is what given, sin square 22 degree plus sin square 68 degree divided by cos square 22 degree plus cos square 68 degree, okay, clear. Sin square, okay, now plus sin square 63 degree plus cos 63 degree into sin 27 degree, okay. Now see 22 and 68 both are complementary, these two angles are complementary, so we are not changing the first one, sin square 22 degree plus sin what 90 degree minus 22, that means 68, this whole square divided by what you can write, cos square 22 degree plus what you can write, cos of 90 degree minus 22 degree, that means 68, that is whole square minus, okay, sin square 63 degree plus cos 63 degree into what you can write, sin 90 degree minus 63 degree, clear, that means 27, okay. So what you can write, sin square 22 degree plus sin 90 minus theta means what, cos square 22 degree means cos theta and it is square, that's why it is cos square, clear. Now cos square 22 degree plus cos 90 minus theta means sin, as it is square, so sin square 22 degree minus sin 63 degree into cos plus cos 63 degree into sin 90 minus theta means what, cos, clear, so it is square, okay. So cos 63 degree, clear. So what is this, sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta means 1, clear, minus it is what, sin square 63 degree into what, cos 63 into means cos square, okay, plus what, cos square 63 degree, clear. So that means 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta is also 1, that means it will be 0. So this will be your answer, okay. So see, we are not changing this one, we are changing this one, as both are complementary angles, okay, these two angles are complementary. So that means what, sin square theta plus cos square theta means 22 degree here. Same we are doing for the denominator, it will be cos square 20 degree plus sin square 20 degree, okay. Now what is that, oh, it is what, it was plus sign, it was plus sign, okay, so no problem. So that means what, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta, that means it will be 2 only, clear. If it is minus then it will be 0, if it is plus is given, that's why it will be 2, clear, it is plus is given, okay, plus is given, okay, so that's why it will be 2, okay. So sin square 63 degree plus cos 63 into sin 90 minus 63 means sin 23, that means what, this is 1, this is 1, so 1 by 1, clear, and sin square theta plus cos 63 into cos 63 means cos square theta, so 1 by 1, okay, 1 by 1 plus what, sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, so 1 plus 1 means what, 2, it will be 1 plus 1, okay, it will be 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means 2, clear. So if it is minus then no problem, okay, then what I have done before, that will be answer, if it is plus then this will be answer, clear. So students, hope you have understood these two sums. Now let us move to the sum number 13 and 14. So students, here now it is sum number 13, clear. So the similar type of sums we have to find the value of this, clear. So now what is, these two are complementary angles, so what we can write, so this will be the bracket, okay, what we can write, cos of 90 degree minus 25 degree, that means what, 65 divided by sin 25 degree, clear, plus these two are also complementary, 34 and 56 plus, that means 90. So what we can write, cosec 90 degree minus 56 degree, that means what, 34, clear, divided by sec 56 degree minus 2, these two 43 and 47 are complementary because 47 plus 43 is 90, 2 cos 43 degree into cosec 90 degree minus 43 degree, that means what, 47 divided by these two 10 or 80 is what, complementary, so tan 10 degree into tan 80 degree into tan 40 degree into tan 50 degree, clear, okay. So now what will be that, cos 90 minus theta means what, sin 25 degree divided by sin 25 degree plus cosec 90 minus theta means sec theta, so sec 56 degree divided by sec 56 degree minus, okay, 2 into cos 43 degree into cosec 90 minus theta means what, sec 43 degree, clear, whole divided by tan 10 degree into tan 80 means how we can write, 90 minus 10, clear, into tan 40 degree into what we can write, 50 tan 90 minus 40, okay. So this is the things, clear. So this will be cancelled, so 1 plus this will be cancelled, 1 minus 2 into cosec theta into sec theta means what, 1 divided by tan 10 degree into tan 90 minus theta means what, cot 10 degree, clear, into tan 40 degree into tan 90 minus 40 means what, cot 40 degree, clear. So is equal to what, 1 plus 1 means 2 minus 2 divided by what, tan into cot means what, 1 into tan into cot means what, 1, so 2 minus 2, it will be 0, so that will be your answer, clear. So students, it is easy sum. So here we are, these two are complementary, so we are changing the values, clear, 90 minus 25, and here also 90 minus 56 means 34, and here also complementary, so cos 43 into cosec 90 minus 43 means 47, clear, and here we are writing these two angles complementary and these two angles complementary, so these two will be together and this will be together, and after doing that, okay, it is coming sin 25 by sin 25 1 sec 56 by sec 56 1 minus 2 into cosec theta into sec theta, sorry, cos theta into sec theta means 1, so 2 into 1 divided by tan into what, tan 10 into cot 10 means 1 into cot 10 into tan 40 into cot 40 means also 1, clear. So that means what, 1 plus 1 means 2 minus 2 divided by 1 into 1 means 2, so 2 will be cancelled, so answer will be 0. So hope you have understood this sum number 13. So you can copy that sum in, okay, and try to do it at home without watching this, clear. So let us come to the sum number 14. Friends, here it is now sum number 14. So cot theta into tan 90 minus theta minus sec 90 minus theta into cosec theta, clear. And now into sin square 65 plus sin square 25 into root 3 tan 5 tan 45 tan 85. So tan 45 value we know, clear. This is the known angle and rest we don't know, okay. So very easy. Now what, cot theta into tan 90 minus theta means what, tan 90 minus theta means cot theta only, clear, minus sec 90 minus theta, what is the value of 90 minus theta means cosec theta into cosec theta, okay, plus it is what, sin square 65 and 25 complementary plus sin 90 degree minus 65 degree means 25, that whole square, plus root 3 into tan 5, 5 degree into tan 85 means what? Tan 90 degree minus 5 degree into tan 45 degree. Okay. Now what we can write? Cos theta into cos theta means what? Cos square theta minus cosec square theta. Cosec theta into cosec theta means cosec square theta, plus sin square 65 degree, plus sin 90 minus theta means cos square 65 degree, plus root 3 into what? Tan 5 degree into tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot 5 degree into tan 45 means 1. Clear? Now what do we know? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Clear? So that means what? Cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to minus 1. Clear? So cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to what you can write? Minus 1. Clear? Plus what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. Okay. Plus root 3 into tan theta into cot theta means what? 1 into 1. Okay. So this will be cancelled. So root 3, that will be your answer. Clear? So root 3 will be your answer. So I am explaining once again. So cot theta into tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So cot theta into cot theta means cot square theta, minus sec 90 minus theta means what? Cosec theta into cosec theta means what? Cosec square theta. Okay. Divided by plus what? Sin 65 degree sin square 65 plus sin square 25 means what? Sin 90 minus 65. Okay. Plus root 3 into these two are complementary. So it is coming what? Cot square theta minus cosec square theta means minus 1, plus sin square theta plus cos square 65. Sin square 65 plus cos square 65. Theta means 65. That means here it is 1 plus root 3 into tan 5 degree into cot 5 degree means 1. Clear? Into tan 45 means 1. Clear? So plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So it will be what? Root 3. Root 3 into 1 into 1 means root 3. Okay. So this will be your answer. So now let us move to the sum number 15. Now let us move to the sum number 17. Okay. So what is given? Sec 90 minus theta. That means sec 90 minus theta means what? Cosec theta into what is there? Cosec theta. Okay. So this is cosec theta into cosec theta minus tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot theta into cot theta is given, plus what? These two angles are complementary. So cos square 25 plus cos 90 degree minus 25, that means what? 65 whole square, whole divided by what? These two angles are also complementary. 27 plus 63 means 90. So 3 into tan 27 degree into tan 90 degree minus 27 degree. Clear? So now it is what? Cosec theta into cosec theta means what? Cosec square theta minus cot theta into cot theta means what? Cot square theta plus 2 cos square plus cos square 25 degree. Okay. Plus cos 90 minus theta means sin square 25 degree. Whole divided by 3 into tan 27 degree into tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot 27 degree. Clear? So now cosec square theta minus cot square theta means 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1 divided by 3 into tan theta into cot theta means 1. Okay. That means 2 by 3. That will be your answer. Okay. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta means 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1 divided by 3 into tan theta into cot theta means also 1. So 2 by 3. So that will be your answer. So students, hope the sum number 17 you have understood. Now let us move to the sum number 18. Students, here it is sum number 18. So it is given very easy, same type of sums, a little bit different. So cos 90 minus theta means what we can write? Sin theta. Clear? Into sec 90 minus theta, what we can write? Cosec theta. Clear? Into tan theta is there, so write tan theta. Divide by cosec 90 minus theta means what we can write? Sec theta. Into sin 90 minus theta, what we can write? Cos theta. Clear? Into cot 90 minus theta, what we can write? Tan theta. Clear? Plus tan 90 minus theta, what you can write? Cot theta. Divide by cot theta. So sec theta, sin theta into cosec theta means what? 1 into tan theta. Divide by sec theta into cosec theta into cos theta means what? 1 into tan theta. Clear? Plus this will be cancelled 1. So this will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So that will be your answer. So this will be your answer. So very easy sum. Okay. So cos 90 minus theta minus sin theta, sec 90 minus theta means what? Cosec theta. So sin theta into cosec theta means 1 into tan theta as it is. Clear? So cosec 90 minus theta means sec theta, sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. So sec theta into cos theta means 1 and cot 90 minus theta means tan theta. So tan theta will be cancelled, so 1, and this will be what? Tan 90 minus theta means cot theta divided by cot theta, so that will be also 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is a very simple sum. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 19. So students, now let us start sum number 19. So it is given sin of 50 plus theta minus cos of 40 minus theta plus product of some value of the angle of tan. Okay, so here we have to find out which are the complementary. So 1 degree and 89 degrees complementary. Clear? 10 degree and 80 degrees complementary, and 20 degree and 70 degrees are complementary. So as per that we have to write it together. But here we cannot find the complementary because 50 and 40 is 90. So how we can write here? So sin. So what we can write? Cos of 90 degree minus 50 degree plus theta. So cos of 90 minus theta means this. Clear? So a little bit different way we are expressing. Sin of 50 degree plus theta means cos of 90 degree minus 50 degree plus theta. That means what? Sin theta. Sin theta means 50 degree plus theta here. Okay. Minus cos of 40 degree minus theta plus we are now writing tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree into tan 10 degree into tan 80 degree into tan 20 degree into tan 70 degree. So 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So we are writing the complementary angles together. Okay. So it is what? Cos of what? 40 degree minus theta. Okay. We are changing the sign. Minus cos of 40 degree minus theta plus, now what we can write? Tan 1 degree into tan 90 degree minus 1, that means tan 89. Okay. Into tan 10 degree into tan 90 degree minus 10 degree, that means tan 80. Clear? Into tan 20 degree into tan 90 degree minus 20 degree. Clear? So this plus cos theta minus cos theta cancelled. Okay. So that means that it is 0 plus. Okay. It is what? Tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree. Tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot. Clear? Into tan 10 degree into cot 10 degree. Tan 90 minus 10 means what? Cot. Okay. Into tan 20 degree into tan 90 minus means cot 20 degree. Clear? So that means what? 0 plus this is what? Tan theta into cot theta means 1 into tan 10 into cot 10 means 1 into tan 20 into cot 20 means 1. Okay. that means what? 1. That will be your answer. Clear? So students, hope this you have understood. Okay, so this part only a little bit tricky. So sin theta 50 plus theta means sin cos 90 degree minus 50 plus theta, that means this. Okay, so this and this are same, so that will be cancelled, so it will be 0, and that we are only rearranging the complementary angles together and it is coming 1. So the answer will be ultimately 0 plus 1 means 1. Okay. So now let us move to the last sum for today's episode. So now students, let us move to the last sum, last but not the least, okay, for this episode, so that we can start a new chapter in my next episode. Clear? So now show that cos square this plus cos square this divided by tan of this plus into tan of this is equal to 1. 1 means we have to prove. Proof means answer is given. Okay. So what you can write? Left hand side. What? Cos square 45 degree plus theta plus cos square 45 degree minus theta whole divided by tan of 60 degree plus theta into tan of 30 degree minus theta. Okay. So how you can write this? So cos of, so how you can write? Sin of 90 degree minus 45 degree plus theta. Sin 90 minus this means what? Cos, that's whole square, plus cos square 45 degree minus theta whole divided by same thing. It can be written cot of 90 degree minus 60 degree plus theta. Okay, that means cot 90 minus theta means what? Tan theta into tan of 30 degree minus theta. Clear? So now what you can write? Sin of, that means sin square. Okay, it is 90 degree minus 45 degree minus theta, this one. Clear? Plus cos square 45 degree minus theta whole divided by cot 90 degree minus 60 degree minus theta, we are just omitting the first bracket, into tan of 30 degree minus theta. Now what we can write? See, it will be sin square what? 90 minus 45 means what? 45 degree minus theta plus cos square 45 degree minus theta whole divided by cot what? 90 plus minus 60 means 30 degree minus theta into tan 30 degree minus theta. See, okay, sin square theta, this total now is theta or phi, whatever. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, that means what? 1 divided by cot theta into tan theta means 1. So 1 is equal to what? Right hand side proved. Okay. So very easy. So just this we are writing here, cos 45 plus theta means sin 90 degree minus 45 plus theta. Okay, and here tan of 60 plus theta means cot 90 degree minus 60 plus theta. Okay, so after doing that, it is coming sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, and in the denominator cot theta into tan theta means 1. So 1 by 1 means 1 is equal to right hand side proved. Clear? So hope you have understood this. So students, so I hope you have understood all the sums, and you have to practice it. 20 sums we have solved today in my episode, okay, in this episode actually. So that these portions we completed, the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles, that chapter we have completed. Now next day we will start a fresh and new chapters, okay. So hope that will be also very much useful for your board exam, and practice the sums as much as possible, okay, from different sources you can practice, okay, and also practice all the sums which I have covered in my previous episodes also, okay, from the chapter trigonometry. So hope you have understood this, and continue to watch my channel, clear, and wait for the next episode. Very soon it will be uploaded. Thank you.